So in a super hot and competitive market like we have right now for a buyer, there are two real simple things that you can do to greatly increase your chances of getting your offer accepted. Hang around, I'm going to tell you both. So in a very competitive market, what a buyer strategy should be would be to limit the number of days to all of your contingencies in the offer. So by that, I mean the standard default of our California contracts say that the buyer has 17 days to do most of their due diligence, to get insurance quotes, to do your property inspection, to fully understand the condition of the property, things like that. That one contingency can be cut at least in half to possibly even 10 or less days, depending upon how quickly the agent can get a qualified inspector to the property and conduct a property inspection, which typically is the longest of all of those contingencies, along with the seller providing homeowners documents for the buyer to review, which could also be the latest contingency kind of hanging out there. The sooner that you as the buyer can remove all of your contingencies in an offer, the more confidence the seller will have in positioning you to the top, providing the price is a robust offer. Price is probably number one, but when it comes to terms and conditions, this is a very important term that you can put into the contract that will help you get positioned higher in the stack of offers. We are seeing stacks of offers, but here's probably one of the best ones in today's market. Many sellers don't know where they're going, or many sellers need a little extra time in the property. If you, as the buyer, can close escrow, let's say typically in 30 days, and offer to the seller to stay in the property for 30, 60, 90, 120 days at either a competitive rate that they would pay you as a tenant in your property, you being the landlord, or I have seen offers and I have been involved in transactions where the buyers offer the property for a period of time at no charge to the seller. This is huge. The agents that write offers for buyers, where the buyers are in a position to offer a rent back situation to the seller or an occupancy of 30, 60, 90. I know an agent friend of mine whose buyer offered 6 months at no charge. Yes, they wanted the property. It was a unique find. They didn't have an urgency to move in, and they were in a position to offer up to 6 months. So there's the key, up to 6 months. If the seller decides they don't need the entire time, they can leave early. But these kinds of instruments to be used within the offer can really position you as the buyer to be the winning and accepted offer. I hope this helps. Please subscribe. Please continue to watch my informational videos helping you achieve your goals in real estate. Randy Ora with Berkshire Hathaway, changing lives one home at a time.